Okay, before starting this video, there is a quick disclaimer for everyone. We do not support any kind of modding applications or changing their ownership. Okay, so nobody is supposed to do that, and we don't teach that kind of stuff. So whatever I'm going to show it to you on the screen will be for educational purposes, and please use it in ethical way to create your own applications and make it working on your Android device. Okay. So what I have done is I have created an application, and after creating it, I just want to zip align it. Okay, that is it. So in this video, we're going to use zip align to align this application so that this application could work on Android for us. Okay, so let's see the syntax. First of all, check if zip align is there in our device or not. And yes, it is there. Okay, if it is not there in your device and you want to install it, there is a command to install it in your device. Sudo apt install zipalign, and this command will install zipalign for you. Okay, before signing your application, what we do is we use to zipalign so that whatever files are there in this special archive in .apk file gets aligned, and after that we use to sign that application so that it could work on our Android device. So this is the input application, and we are getting the same problem. Okay, but on other hand, if I show it to you on my Ubuntu machine, there is no such problem. Okay, so we are working on Linux, and there are so many ways to fix this problem. So first of all, we should know that where this application is based on our Ubuntu machine, and both are in the same architecture. If you copy paste the binaries from one system to another, that would work in most of the situations. But this is not a good idea. Okay, so just type which zip align and ls-l to check the path, user bin, and you can see it's under the root directories of your operating system. So let's get into that. And we have some extra utilities as well. Okay. So what you can do is the first way to fix this problem is you can copy these binaries from your Ubuntu machine to your Kali Linux and make a link out of it. Okay, or directly paste it into your user bin directory, and this thing is going to work. But I don't want to do that. I just want to install Android SDK on my Kali Linux machine so that everything gets work properly. And this is the standard way to install the utilities. Okay. So sudo apt install Android SDK and create. And we have Zipalign over here. But this is also not working for us. Okay, now there is a final solution to this problem, and the solution is we have a binary from Ubuntu repositories. All you have to do is download it in the home directory. Download it first. Provide it execution permission and install it. Now get into the same directory where our files are stored. So here is our demo application. Let's try to zip align it once again. And here it is working. Okay, so we have successfully zip aligned the application. Now you can sign it, and I hope you already know that how to sign an application manually. Creating key stores. After creating key stores in your Linux machine. Okay, so this was it for the day. Take care of yours. Have a great time ahead.